Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your BigCommerce store and make it stand out from the rest by using themes, as well as customizing the ones in the theme store to really make your store stand out. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is log into BigCommerce, and then in the left-hand menu I'm going to go down to the option that says Storefront. And here you can see the current theme that is enabled in your store. Right now mine is called Cornerstone Light. But if I want to get a new theme, I go into the left-hand menu and find one in the theme marketplace right here. So I can scroll through any of these and find one that really matches the tone of my store. So you can start to see how some of these could be for outdoors people, some for cars. Now, these are going to be broken up by free and paid versions, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go to the free ones, and I'm going to find one that meets my needs in here. So I really like this one. I like this one's bright and colorful, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to add the theme by pressing the Add Theme button right here at the top. So I can go into my themes and look at it now. And so while this is the active one, the one we just added shows up in my themes right here. If you didn't find any that you liked, you can also upload your own by uploading the file here in the Upload Theme button menu, and then you can just click it and drag it or add it via searching your computer. So I'm going to go into the theme that I just downloaded. I'm going to click these three dots right here, which is going to open up a menu. I'm going to apply it now. So this is going to be the theme that my store now looks like. So I can choose one of the 4 different styles that this theme comes with. Some will come with different styles, some won't. And I'm going to go with highlight because, like I said, I like the really light and bright colors. So we just continue. And now this is our current theme. So what if we want to take this one step further and really make our store stand out? Well, you can go into the editor by clicking the Customize button. And this is going to open up the theme editor within BigCommerce. So from here, you can see what your store looks like with products that are currently in your store. You can go into different styles. You can look at the different styles they offer. You can change all the general colors, so if you don't like some of these, you can always edit these. So if you want to change the store title color, you can always change that as well, maybe a blue. And so you can see that updated here. Main headers, you can change the background colors, link colors, you can enable background colors as well. You can change the body copy, text color, change the headings, add buttons, add product grids, footers. Everything you can possibly edit is going to be found within this menu right here. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these and show you what each one means, but essentially you can spend a lot of time customizing and just trying new things and new styles to make your store stand out from the rest. If you come across other stores that use the same theme, you can always go a little bit above and beyond by taking more time and adding different things that you want and customizing a little bit more to really make it pop. But then if something has gone terribly wrong, you can always go back to the original theme styles and everything will go back to the default settings. And then once you're done, make sure you press save right here at the top right. And as you can see, the theme has been saved. And one last thing I'll show you before we leave is you can also change the individual layouts for each of the different devices that your customers might use. So this one's the desktop version. You can go into the tablet preview version, and this will show you what it looks like on a tablet, like an iPad or an Android device. And then lastly, you've got the mobile preview, which shows you what this looks like if you look at it on a phone. And then once you're done, again, press save, and then you can go back by pressing the logo for BigCommerce right here, and this will bring you back to the control panel. The last thing I want to show you is if you want to download the file for the theme You can always download it by going to the Advanced tab and then downloading the theme, download the original theme, or downloading the saved theme, and you can edit it off-site. But that's pretty much a quick overview of how themes work and how you can edit them within BigCommerce. There's a lot of stuff you can do. There's a lot of different themes you can choose from. It's really all about spending the time you need to figure out what styles and themes work for your store and then making them happen. But until next time, I've been Riley with Dropified. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment down below. You can also request videos there that we can do in the future. If you like the video, please leave a like on it. And if you never want to miss one of our uploads, you can always press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it to make sure that you never miss when we upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.